Lee and Doc and Foothills Food Bank, SolarTech is so excited to contribute to the capital campaign to help you guys raise money to fight hunger and truly give hope. We came in and we were looking to make a change and help people in the community. Fighting hunger is something near and dear to everybody. No matter what community you're in, you can be anywhere in the United States, but what it takes is people to serve and people to really commit their time and energy, and you guys have pulled together something pretty amazing. People are always going to be in need, and that's unfortunate. That is just an unfortunate reality of where we're at. You know, and to have a resource and to go and be able to just provide the basic needs, that security to kids and the elderly, and those that just don't have those options. That's amazing.
It takes a village of wonderful corporate partners like yourself and nonprofits like us to make this work. So thank you. Thank you for being a wonderful team member.
Yeah,